Everyone like, share and subscribe our channel and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Okay. If a plus ib, if z equal to a plus ib is a complex number, okay, then is conjugate, it means conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. Conjugate of z is equal to z bar, okay, and this is equal to, change the sign of I, then this is equal to a minus ib. Clear? And if we do one property related to conjugate, if z into z bar, then we find mod z square. But what is mod z? Okay, so first understand mod z. Mod z means modulus of complex number. Okay, try to understand this. Modulus of complex number. Then if any number z equal to a plus ib, then its modulus means denoted mod z, and this is equal to under root square of real part plus square of imaginary part. Clear? It means modulus of complex number z. What is real part? Real part is a, that is a square. Imaginary part is b, then b square. Then mod z equal to under root a square plus b square. This is modulus of complex number. Then we can prove this property very easily. Take LHS means z into z bar. Z is equal to, z means a plus ib, okay, and z bar is equal to a minus ib. Then when we do multiplying, then a square minus ib square, then a square minus I square into b square, then a square I square is equal to minus 1, then this is plus b square, okay, and mod z equal to under root a square plus b square. If we take its square, then its square is equal to a square plus b square. Clear? Now a square plus b square is equal to mod z square, okay, then this is our RHS. Clear? Okay. Now this is the property, is very important. Sometimes we use this property, okay. Now understand the power of iota, okay. Okay, try to understand power of iota. Means we know I square is equal to minus 1, and if anyone say what is I means under root minus 1, okay, and I cube means I square into I square is equal to minus 1 into I, that is this is equal to minus I, and when we take other power I raised to power 4, then I raised to power 4 means I square into I square, and this is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1. If we take I raised to power 5, then I power 4 into I raised to power 4 is equal to 1 into I equal to I, okay. Then what is the result? I square is equal to minus 1 and I cube equal to minus I, okay, and I raised to power 5 is equal to positive, I raised to power 4 equal to plus 1. Here the when the power of I is 4, then its value will be positive, means plus 1. So when the maximum power is given, means I raised to power 2, 5, something, any number is given. I raised to power 241, or take I raised to power 24. Okay, then we convert the power into the multiplication of 4. Okay, it means I raised to power 4 into 6, and I raised to power 4, we can write it as, okay, then I raised to power 4 is equal to 1, and we know any power of 1 is equal to 1. It means this is, if 1 raised to power 6, then this is equal to 1. Clear? So if the maximum power, any power, maximum power of I is given, like as 2, 4, 6, okay, 246, I raised to power 246, then how can you find the value of this? This power divide by 4, 246 divided by 4, okay, 2 is remainder. Clear? Then we can write it as I raised to power 4 into 61 and plus 2, and this is equal to 1. It means the value of this whole equal to 1, and 1 raised to power, this is, means this whole value is 1, and into I raised to power 2. Clear? Not clear? Okay, try to again it. Understand? We can write it as I raised to power 4 into 61 and into I raised to power 2. It is clear? This is I. Okay. When base is same, then we will plus the power. Understand? Then, and we told you I raised to power, if any power is in the multiplication of 4, then its value will be 1. Then this is equal to 1, and this is I square, and I square is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now let us take another example. If the question is that find the value of 1 upon I raised to power minus 56. Okay, then 1 upon I raised to power minus 56 is equal to I raised to power 56. When you come up, then sign will be changed. Okay, I raised to power 56, and after that write the 56 into the multiplication of 4. Then this is equal to divide by 56 by 4. Then okay, then is 4 into 14, and this is the multiplication of 4, hence this is equal to 1. Clear? It means the power of I is written in the multiplication of 4 n. N means any number. Any number means any positive number or any negative number. Okay, then its value is equal to 1. Clear?